Welcome to a video from thedigitalifestyle.com. In this video we're going to look at new build of Windows 11 25987 for Windows Insiders on the Canary channel. There's just a couple of interesting things with this build that I'll show you, as well as looking at a couple of the known issues. So the first thing that we can't see but is interesting is the out-of-box experience. So when you first set up Windows 11, you get, if the system detects as you're missing drivers from Wi-Fi or network drivers, it will give the opportunity to install those from a downloaded install. So say you're doing a new build and you've previously downloaded some, you can then install the drivers on it, the Wi-Fi drivers or the network drivers. So that'll make it easier to get the initial setup procedure done. Another change with this is the Movies and TV app, which has been around since the Windows 8 days, and the Maps app, which has also been around since around then, is no longer included in the box when you do a clean install. So if you've done a clean install, you'll find that there is no Movies and TV app or Film and TV if you're in the UK region, and the Maps app is not there either. You can just get them from the Microsoft Store, it's no problem, but they're just not included in the box. So that's a bit of streamlining Microsoft have done. If you've already got them installed, like I have, it won't uninstall them, it's just for clean installs. The other change is this delivery optimization page has been updated to match the Windows 11 style. So you can see that is the new style. So you can choose which of these options you want, so allow from other PCs and so on. It just makes it a bit quicker on your local network. So the other thing that's changed is PNG files. You now can edit the metadata, so you can get a file like this PNG file and set things like star ratings and things like that, and then you can OK that. So that's something you couldn't do before. There's just a couple of known issues. In fact, there's one fix as well for a known issue with File Explorer crashing when in Windows Sandbox and in a non-English language. That's been fixed. There's still some known issues around game support, so if you have any issues with games, you can make sure you file those on the feedback hub. So there's a new known issue with if you're in the privacy settings and there's a blank option, you click in it could crash Explorer. And the investigation reports the attempt to reboot into safe mode hangs on the boot logo. So that's one of the issues. So that's it for this change. Just a few changes. Canary channels where the interesting stuff's happening at the moment. You can find out more on thedigitalifestyle.com, including build videos, music tech and lots more. So thanks for watching.